respected viewers. Every day we use many words having letter C, and many of us get confused about its sound. Sometimes it is sounded as K, while in some words it is pronounced as S. Many of us think why it is so. So, here in this lecture, we will make a clear distinction about the sound of letter C. For this purpose, we will have to ponder over the examples of some words having letter C. So let's move on to the next slide for examples. Here are the examples on the screen. You are looking 9 words having letter C. In the first column on the left side of the screen, the first word is the word cell. Being started with C, here C is being sounded as S. The second word is cinema. Here again, C is being sounded as S. The third word is cyber, having C with the sound of S. Now compare it with second column in the middle of the slide. Here you can see 3 words with letter C: call, cut, and crow. In all these words, C is being sounded as K. Now compare the third column with the first 2 columns. In this column, we again have 3 words with letter C. The first word is cycle. Here, letter C appears twice in the word. The first C is being sounded as S, while the second C is being pronounced as K. The second word in the third column is critique. Here both the C's are being sounded as K. The third word is criticism. The word made from critique by adding the suffix of ism. Here the first C is being sounded as K, whereas the second one is being sounded as S. Why is this change? In critique, the ending C was sounded as K, but in criticism, simply by adding ism, the sound of letter C changed from K to S. Now look again and ponder over all the words on the screen. You will notice that in those words where I, E, or Y appears immediately after letter C, it is being sounded as S, whereas in all the other cases, it is being pronounced as K. This is very obvious by comparing the words critique and criticism. The second C in critique was K, but when I appeared after it criticism, it became S. Now we can conclude our discussion. Conclusion number 1. If I, E, or Y appears immediately after C, it will be sounded as S. If any letter other than E, I, or Y appears immediately after C, it will be sounded as K. Conclusion number 3. If a word ends on C, it will be sounded as K. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to be intimated regarding our new videos, please subscribe our channel by pressing subscribe and then click on the bell icon.